The most effective way to get from this state to this one is to process the workpieces in a surf finisher. To do this, the workpieces are mounted on a spindle and immersed in a rotating processing bowl. It is very important that the parts do not touch each other and are not damaged in any other way. On the one hand, there are the particularly special materials used in the field of endoprosthesis. For example, titanium, cobalt chrome, and increasingly even ceramic. And on the other hand, there are areas of an implant that are simply difficult to reach, such as the so-called knee joint box here. With surf finishing, not only does the working bowl filled with abrasive media rotate, but also the spindles on which the workpieces are mounted are oriented in the media stream. This makes this form of processing extremely effective and allows the abrasive media to reach areas that previously had to be polished by hand. Together with the high efficiency of the system, surf finishing is 50 to 80 times more effective than mass finishing in a rotary vibrator. And with our special processing media, we can easily handle this highly demanding challenge. Stay tuned, our processing media will be the subject of our next video.